Hello everyone and welcome to a quick OneNote tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off Snap to Grid in OneNote. This is quite simple and we have two options for this, a permanent and a temporary solution. To do this I first open OneNote and here I have a document with text and images. Currently Snap to Grid is activated. We can see this when I move an image. With every movement it is aligned to the grid. This setting can be useful to align elements to each other and it is also my preferred way of working. I now want to temporarily align an element not to the grid but move it freely. I hold down the Alt key while moving it. We can see that the movement gets much smoother. When I have finished, I put the image down and release the Alt key. This allows me to work quickly and, if necessary, very precisely. However, if I want to turn off Snap to Grid permanently, this is also possible. To do this, I switch to the Draw tab, go to Shapes and click on Snap to Grid. Snap to Grid is now deactivated. We can see this when I move the image again, which I can now move smoothly even without holding down the Alt key. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.